How you doing this morning? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a Sony TR-4100 AM only, 6 transistor, and it's about a 1972 vintage. And we're going to take a look at it right now. It's got a carrying strap. Unfortunately, it's plastic. These tend to get brittle. There's a, see, I get a close-up of the tuning dial. Over here we have on-off volume, earphone jack. It uses a 9-volt battery. Here is the tuning wheel, and that's it. Doesn't have a telescopic antenna because it's AM only. And we're gonna go to the bottom of the band and see what we can hear. I probably have to point it away from the camera because most of the stations are that direction. It's got a very small AM antenna at the top here on the inside. Okay, well, I should probably get the volume too high. Let me start tuning.
This program was re-recorded today on Real Life Radio. Jesus in the darkness is like that. Is the brighter Christ shines, and He chooses to do that
There
in
we
your
go.
life because He is the author and the finisher of your faith.
Pretty volume.
He is the one who will do this because He is
Pretty
the
clear.
captain, the bishop. It's what He does.
Yeah, it's very directional. So I'm gonna have to hold it this way.
Welcome to
Which way I'm going? That's the right way.
iHeartRadio app. All your sports, music, talk, and podcasts.
Después de vivir 70 años cautivos en Babilonia, después de pasar por un largo proceso de cautividad, lograron
How to practice forgiveness and more. Many ways to access us and find me on social media as well. They put them up. See Dukes, that's me on Twitter. Who launched a new offensive? The Ukraine's
Picking up a lot of stations.
Conference wrapped up on Friday. Hurricane season begins.
Little
on June
tinny.
1st.
My dad shot himself and the bullet hit everyone.
See where we are. Okay, we're getting close to the top of the band.
Kingsford Original gives you that authentic wood-fired barbecue flavor that makes summer. Touch. The Bible says
Yeah, it's doing a good job. Takes a little tweaking to get the station in. That's it. Let me check something real quick here. Yeah, I was making sure I was going the right direction on the band. Here's a close-up of the dial. Very good condition. He didn't say where he got this one. I don't see any scratches or any marks. Yeah, pretty cool. Thank you, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. And thank you for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm presenting stuff you're interested in and not wasting your time. If you haven't subscribed, that would be great. I'd love for you to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.